What's up guys, welcome back to the channel Trading Simplified. In this video I'm going to show you how to save your chart, so every time that you log on you can get the same exact chart to populate for you. It's quick and easy, and then we'll just break it down. Alright, so when you open up Fidelity Active Trader Pro, you can see a list of tabs at the top. The first thing I want you to do is to click Layouts. Alright, so under tabs, you're going to click Layouts, scroll to the bottom and click New Layout. It's going to ask you to create the new layout, so we'll put New Chart, and then click OK. As you can see in here, I just clicked New Chart, and then you have the option where we save the title as New Chart to save it, save as, and rename. But I'm going to add some stuff to it just so you get a bigger picture, and then we can just click save and it'll always be saved for you. So the first thing we'll do is we'll bring up some charts. We click on the chart tab, we click 1 minute, and then what we do is let's just make this much bigger. And I want to get more specific with things on the chart to save. So I'm going to make this bigger. All right, so in part of this, I want to show you specifically how to just add some indicators. And as you save it, your chart will always have it. So let's just say we had a blank chart of Amazon right now. And let's say that we wanted to just add some extended hours to it. So as you can see, I already have pre-populated times up here. I'm going to X them off just to show you how to make them. And what's good about Fidelity Active Trader Pro's program is that you can put time frames on there and save it, whether it's a 1 minute, a 5 minute, a 15 minute, etc. So we're going to hit the plus sign right here, so it says new tab, and then you can change it to today down here. You have today, 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, and I want to save this as the 1 minute chart. So if you're going to save the 1 minute chart, you just want to click up here where it says untitled. Sometimes you got to double click it, and then you label it what do you want it to be. So you double click, and then 1, and then I put 1 minute, and now I have the 1 minute chart saved over here. And let's just add like another indicator because I want you to see that it can copy over. So what you can do is you add indicators, and you can add, let's just say RSI just for easy sakes right down here. Next, if I wanted the 5 minute, you click the plus sign over here, go down to here, today, click on 5 minute. Now you have the today, the 5 minute on, and then you can double click and then put 5 minutes. Now, just as this is as far as you want to go and you want it to save it, you click layouts, go under the new chart, and then click save. Now, if you wanted to change the candlesticks, let's say, what you could do is you can click under settings, go under chart type, and then you can change the candlesticks. So look at the candlesticks changing as I'm clicking on it. You see the colors changing, the green and the red. You can make it hollow, you can make it a mountain, you can make it a line. Whatever you want to do, you can change it to. And what I noticed with Fidelity Active Trader Pro is I'm going to keep it candlestick standard. I'm going to apply it, and that's under the 5 minute. But notice what happens when I click on the 1 minute. It's still the dotted lines. So you have to individually, I did this under the 5 minutes, click on the 1 minute, go under settings, change the chart type to standard, and then apply it. You hit apply. And now save it, go under layouts, new chart, save. And anytime you click the 5 minute and the 1 minute, you're going to see the same type of candlestick. So you have to individually change them on the tab. So if I added a new layout, and let's say I made it the 15 minute, we'll make it easier. We'll make it the 30 minute. You can see the dotted lines here. I would have to switch this and hit settings, chart type, candlestick, and now apply it and save it one more time because that's saving this one here, and I want to label this 30 minute. So now every time that I go in and I click the 1 minute, they're all candlesticks, as you can see, which is very useful because that's how I like to trade. But notice how I added the RSI on the 1 minute. You have to manually add it to the 5 minute, just so you're aware. So I just want to reiterate, every time that you try to change your candlestick settings, you have to change them specifically for each one, like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 30 minute. They're all the same now because I individually added those. And then when you save them to your layout, you will have them there every single time. So it's definitely something to remember. And when you log in, you can make it your default. Like my default, see how it says default, is when I click this one. But you can use any of the technical ones that Fidelity offers. You can use the market movers, the multi-trade, the quick trade. You can click any of these to use. I personally like to make my own, which we just made new chart, which we'll go under and review it. When I click on it again and watch, it'll have the saved settings. So here is the layout that we chose of the new chart, and you can save and save as we go. But you can see that the indicators up here, the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 30 minute are all the same now with the same bar graphs because we saved it after we made the changes under layouts. And then notice the 1 minute has the RSI, but the others don't. So if I wanted to add that on the 5 minute, I would just click on this bar on the 5 minute, go under indicators, and then I would click RSI, and you'll see the RSI is here. And then I'll just go to layouts, save, and now it's there. So when I click on the 1 minute, I have RSI showing the blue. And if I click on the 5 minute, I'll have RSI showing the blue. But even the 30 minute still doesn't have it until I add the indicator. So that's just a quick way how you can add any indicator you want. And Fidelity allows you to scroll through and you can see the changes being made. You see the purple line changing as I'm scrolling through. So as I'm going through the different indicators, you don't have to click on it. You can see what it looks like first before clicking on it. And this is me just cycling through the tabs, and you can play around with this on your own. But it's good to see what it looks like so then you can just kind of make sure that this is the right indicator that you want as you're continuing to add them and you're growing your list. And you use the tabs. So if you're trying to day trade a stock, you can quickly click on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, just to get a good idea on what to expect. So I hope this helps. I got a comment from one of the YouTubers asking how to save their candlesticks, and I just wanted to give a quick update on how to do this. So I hope this helps. If you feel like you learned something, please subscribe, like the channel, always leave questions in the comments. I always read them, and I will make a video on any request that you have. I definitely try to help out any way I can. All right, thank you.